In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your orders in the Temu Shop. Whether you're awaiting a few exciting packages or simply want to keep track of your recent purchases, knowing how to navigate your orders in the Temu Shop app is essential. Let's walk through these steps to ensure you can effortlessly access all your order details with just a few clicks. First, you'll need to open the Temu app on your smartphone. If you haven't already installed it, you can find it on both the App Store and Google Play. Once the app is up and running, make sure you're connected to the internet, ensuring a smooth and seamless browsing experience as you access your account. Upon opening the app, you'll be greeted by the home page, which showcases various items and categories. But don't get distracted by all the enticing deals just yet. Your focus is on accessing your order history. Look towards the bottom of your screen where you'll find an icon or label that says Your Orders. It's typically located in the main navigation menu, making it easy to find. Click on Your Orders and, like magic, you'll be directed to a page that displays all your past and current orders. Here, you can scroll through your purchases, giving you a comprehensive overview of everything you've bought recently, complete with images and descriptions to refresh your memory on your selections. Additionally, this interface will give you details on each order's status, whether it's pending, shipped, or delivered, providing you with up-to-date information so you're always in the loop about your purchases. This level of visibility ensures you're less likely to miss an expected delivery, allowing you to plan accordingly. Should you need to delve deeper into a specific order for more information, such as estimated delivery dates or tracking numbers, simply tap on the order of interest. This will open further details, offering every bit of information you might need for following up on your shipments. And there you have it, a simple, user-friendly guide to checking your orders in the Temu Shop. It's straightforward, all designed to keep your shopping experience organized and stress-free. Remember, having quick and easy access to your order history means staying informed about your shopping activity and making your overall experience all the more satisfying. Before we wrap up, a quick tip: make sure your app is always updated to the latest version to ensure you're getting the best features Temu has to offer, helping you shop smarter every day. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.